Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded in the past 5 or 6 days, but I have been sick, but I finally feel a lot better, so I'm back on camera, excited to be here. For your quick market update, since today is Thursday, I want to share with you two things. One, the week in sales here in San Antonio. So the week in sales for January 13 through January 19 is our average sales price was $389,000. The number of homes sold within that week was 342. And the median sales price was $312. So absorb all that information, lets you know that the market is picking up, because last week from January 6th to January 12th, we had 305 homes get sold within that week. And this past week from January 13th to the 19th, like I mentioned, we had 342 homes get sold. So we had an increase of about 40 homes, which is very nice. And I can also tell from my own personal business and my partners in the industry as well, a lot of buyers are starting to creep up and starting to take interest in taking that first step in buying their home. I have a lot of sellers also looking to put their home on the market too. We have a slow increase in real estate right now. We are still currently in a buyer's market. So if you are a buyer, it's really good to be intentional about your home search, to ask all the questions, sit down, have a really great conversation with your realtor as to what you want, your expectations, and just have realistic goals set in place so that way your journey is seamless. And as you all know, I'm a realtor here in Bexar County, so if you have interest in Bexar County and surrounding counties, so I have worked in Fair Oaks Ranch, Bernie, New Braunfels, Seguin, Converse, Universal City, Selma, all the way to China Grove, all the way to, Natalia, Divine, all of that, I can help you. So if you have any questions or looking to move to San Antonio or Bexar County and all around, I am your girl. Give me a call. My number is here on the screen. I'd be happy to help you. And then lastly, so statistically, it is shown that the average age for somebody purchasing a property is at the age of 38. So if you are 38 and younger and you are maybe comparing yourself to the outside world, your friends, your family who have houses, and you're telling yourself, I should already have a house, hey, you are still in line with the statistics, and statistics really don't even really matter. If you're over 38 and you're not living in a home, that is okay too. At any time that it is right for you to purchase a home, that's when it's the right time to purchase a home. Do not start to get influenced. Do not compare yourself. Do not compare your journey to somebody else's journey. So no matter your age, you are right on track to where you're supposed to be. It was just a fun fact that the average age that is purchasing a home is now at the age of 38. So if you guys have any questions, like I mentioned, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. Bye guys.